Okay, chickadees, if you need some assistance with tonight's homework, I'm going to set this up for you. If a week has 7 days, how many weeks does that many days make? And what does the remainder mean? Okay, make sure that you are putting your problem kind of in the middle of your paper so that you have space to do all the work on top and bottom. We got 1,230 days divided by groups of 7 so that we can make them into weeks. Okay. How many times will 7 go into 1? It can't. 7's too big. So you put the 1 together with the 2 next door, which makes it 12. How many times will 7 go into 12? I might just make me a little list here of my 7s so I don't have to think about them anymore. Okay, that's probably good. How many times will 7 go into 12? Just one time. However, that's not 12. That's really 1,200. So this 1 cannot just be 1. It's got to be 100 to fill those other places that it's above. So 100 times 7 would be 700. So line that up underneath and subtract that off because you just divided that out. So that gives you, that's 12 minus 7. 530 still left. All right, let's do it all over again. How many times will 7 go into 5? It really won't because it's too big. So how many times will 7 go into 53? Let's get close. Oh, I got pretty close. The next 7 would be 56. So without going over, that would be 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So that 7 goes above the 53 in our answer, way up there above the 53. Now that's not really a 7, is it? It's in the tens place, so you have to put your 1 to fill in the rest of the place values. It's really 70 times that 7 would go into 530. So 70 times 7 is 490. That's what we just divided out, so subtract that off. When you get that subtracted, you're left with 40. Start over again. How many times will 7 go into 40? Well, it'd have to be 35, wouldn't it? So that's 5 times. So since we're working with 40, the end of that would be the ones place. 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. So we put that down below and we subtract that off. We still have 5 left. However, 5 left is not enough to get another group of 7, so that means we're done. We include all of these together for 175 and our remainder of 5. All right, that would get us the answer for number 3. 175, remainder 5 really doesn't make sense in the real world for this problem. So how many weeks does 1,230 days make? It makes 175 weeks. What does the remainder mean? It means there's 5 days left over that we did not use to make an additional week. So 175 weeks with 5 days left over. I hope that helps. Email me if it doesn't.